Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to do mixed references on Microsoft Excel. So first of all, we have some data here. We have our cells Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. We have the commission percentages for each area of our company. So we have 12% for North, 15 for South, 10 for West, and 17 for West, 10 for East. So we want to see which commission is going to take for Q1. So we're going to take the 2,500,000 and we're going to find out how many it got for the North area. So what we're going to do, we're going to type in equal. We're going to select the 12% commission, which is going to be on C9. We're going to multiply it by D6, which is the sales amount we got for Q1. So now we got this number, and what we want to do is we want to get the same number for the rest of the area. So we're just going to scroll it down, and as you can see, we got different values. So we got a 0, we got a value error, and then we got another number. If we click on the second value, we see that D7 is the one that's triggering instead of D6. So that's gonna be an issue. So we're just gonna go ahead and change that because we want the formula to pull from the cell's Q1 final number, not from an empty cell. So we're gonna have the same issue with the rest of them, and there's a very easy way to fix it. So for example, the value error, we see that it's pulling from a text, so we don't want that. So the first one, it's pulling correctly, it's D6 and C9, so that's perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a $sign, and that's gonna help us pull the number from the same cell. It's not gonna go over like it happened before. So once we make the change, we're just gonna click enter, and we're gonna see that there's nothing's gonna change on that number. It's gonna stay the same. But now when we pull it downwards, it automatically changes to the correct number. So now we got all of the numbers, and we want to move it over to the rest of the commissions for the rest of the quarters, and we see that we get a bunch of number symbols. So we're just looking at it, and it's not pulling the right way as it did on Q1. On Q1, it was pulling from the sales Q1 and then the commission percentage. On Q2, it was pulling from D9, which is the total for the commissions on Q1. So we don't want that. We just want to make the change. So we're gonna put, if you see on the formula bar, we added a currency symbol in front of it, the dollar symbol in front of C9, and that helps us get all of the same information across the board. If you like our video, please comment below and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel.